So hello everyone, welcome to IGC. Today we have with us Prashant Prasanna Kumar. So he is our gate topper in Triple E branch from IGC. So his rank is 719 and his gate score is 717. And in the recently released notification final list of Coal India Limited, he has been selected. So very congratulations to you, Prashant. So how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling really good, sir. I'm happy to be here. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so means he's also our classroom student. Back in 2019, he joined our classroom, and then eventually we had our corona pandemic, so he was studying on online classes also. So it's really very good about your achievement. So Prashant, tell us very briefly about yourself.
Sure, sir. I'm from Dharwad, Karnataka. That's where I was born, and I did my schooling till my 12th standard. Then I
Okay.
came to Bangalore in 2010 and finished my undergrad from RV College of Engineering.
Okay.
Then I finished my master's also from BITS Pilani Goa campus. After
Okay.
that, I started seriously preparing for GATE and PSUs, and today I have gotten this result.
So that is the work, means hard work for your past two
Yes, sir.
years. You are getting the result now. So that is a
Yes.
very good thing. So if I am going to ask you the first question, from which subject did you start your preparation for GATE and PSU?
The subject that I started was with maths.
So you
Maths is the
started with
most
math.
important. Yes, maths comes in all the subjects. It's
Yes.
applied in all the core subjects. So we need to have a very strong basics
Yes,
in maths.
electrical
So,
engineering is basically maths only.
yes, sir.
So I know that because my master's is also in control system and it's totally linear algebra and mathematics only. So that is very
Oh,
good. So that is very good. You started with maths, and then after maths, what did you finish?
after maths, as the syllabus was covered, I went along with whatever was taught in IGC.
Whatever.
There was network theory, which is also the one of
One
the
of
core
the most
subjects of
basic subject. Yes, basic
basic
subject
subject.
it is. So means you started. When did you start preparing for core? Because it is said means electrical the core part is very huge. So when did you start preparing and what was your approach? Because most of the students they are preparing, they face some kind of issue with the core subjects of double E. So what about that? Any thoughts you want to share or any tips you want to say?
When it comes to core electrical, the concepts are not that difficult to understand, but they are really vast subjects. So you need to regularly study. There will always be something that the exam, the question paper can throw at you. So you need to keep yourself regularly updated.
Okay, so
So
you
when
are
it comes
telling me consistently studying you were doing.
consistently studying. There are
Yes.
not a lot of concepts in core electrical, but a
Hmm.
lot of things to study over there. A lot of
Okay.
facts to study, a lot of devices names to know where they are used. So regularly studying those and being up to date with that.
Okay. So out of all the 11 subjects you have for electrical, which is your favorite subject then if I ask you?
My favorite would be
Analog, electron.
analog
Okay. So
electronics.
you are very good in analog
Yes,
electronics.
sir.
That is
I
very
like that
good to know.
a lot.
Okay. So, okay. Very good. Very good. So what is your duration of preparation for GATE 21 and Coal India?
As you mentioned, it was started in July
2000.
2019. So 7 to 8 months of preparation
Seven
over
to
there.
8 months of dedicated preparation you are
Yes, sir.
telling. So that is very good. So for Coal India, anything special you did apart from GATE syllabus or
Yes.
any questions like anything different from GATE?
The pattern of Coal India exam is slightly different from GATE.
Hmm.
First of all, the questions are much simpler than that of GATE. They are not that intensive. Other than that, a lot of questions from general knowledge and general English is also asked. Uh, the paper has two part. So
Okay, non-technical part also is
non-technical
there.
part. It's like 50% of it. So for general knowledge and awareness, we have to prepare specially. A lot of other preparation is needed.
Okay.
So
So
for that,
how did you manage that along with your GATE studies? So after GATE exam, I think this Coal India Limited exam was held.
yes,
So
sir. It happened after 3 weeks. There was
okay.
a duration
So
of.
any anything special study or any special notes you made for this non-technical part for Coal India?
I didn't make any notes, but I referred material online. There are plenty of resources online for preparing, especially for general knowledge. So I
Okay.
followed that up properly during
So
those three.
any source you want to mention for our juniors?
Uh,
If you remember something.
what I remember is there were dedicated YouTube channels for this.
Okay.
General knowledge, the ones you find by a normal search.
Okay.
So those
So
channels.
you randomly searched and found the best
Yes.
result, whatever was. So you studied from there. So very good.
Also, sir, also Vijay sir, the my teacher who taught me controls, he also suggested a few channels. Those also I referred.
So from IGC,
So,
he is from
from
IGC.
IGC, from
Okay.
IGC,
So Vijay sir. Okay.
Vijay sir.
So what was your attempt in GATE 2021 and how accurate were you in GATE 2021? If I
In
have to
gate
ask you.
in
Yeah,
gate 20
GATE 2021.
in gate 2021, my you mentioned my score already.
Yeah,
Uh,
719.
yes, sir.
70.
Yes, sir. The thing is, the way I attempt is as a normal attempt, as in if there is negative marking, we don't attempt, obviously. For
Yeah.
numerical answer types, we can. I did quite a few mistakes over there, so it did not come out as well as I had expected, but
Okay.
still fairly well, I'd say.
Yeah, you certainly did very well. So that I saw. So what was means if you remember how many questions have you means have you done silly mistake? If you kind of remember that thing, so you could also share that. So anywhere you saw means you knew the answer, you did everything properly, and due to some silly mistake, you means lost that mark. So if you remember that,
Yes, sir. I remember a few of those questions. I
okay.
think some 7 or 8 questions I did like that. They
Seven
were,
or eight questions. So
yes,
that
sir.
is a huge number. So back
Yes,
in 2020, I also remember. So
yes,
I
sir.
also did few mistakes, or else I would have gone under 20 rank in IN. So it
Okay.
happens. It
Yes,
usually happens with us because exam pressure it's kind of different. Whatever mock you gives or whatever you do. Okay,
yes, sir.
that's okay. So tell me 1 week or 1 month before exam, before your Coal India exam also, how did you means handle the pre-exam jitters? If I have to ask you.
Well, uh, during the preparation of the 7 months, I built up a circle of peers. So we were constantly in touch, sharing our progress, keeping each other updated. And also, anytime jitters happened, I'd get in contact with them. They'd also get in contact with me if they had any issues, and would just talk to each other. So that when there's company, these things they get handled automatically.
Yeah, a lot of times. So even I saw you in the group also. You used to solve various questions of analog
Yes,
and different things for different our students, your batchmates. So you used to do that. So that is very
yes.
good. And regarding this Coal India interview, you had any means jitters before going into the interview or any
Uh,
nervousness? Yeah, that usually
Definitely.
happens little bit. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So if you could
That,
share little bit about your Coal India experience, interview experience, that will be better.
sure, sir. Obviously, if there's an interview, there's going to be some jitters, but I had prepared my best, and the staff at IGC had also helped.
Okay.
As soon as I got the result that I had cleared the return test, I told Dinesh sir, and he
Okay.
got me into contact with Raghuram sir, who is also
Okay.
from IGC, and Bharat sir, who taught me machines.
Okay.
Bharat sir got me a contact from a contact who used to work in CIL also.
Okay. Okay.
So I got a lot of inputs on how the interview is going to be, what all material I should read up about the company, and how long the interview will last, how big the panel will be, like pretty much everything. Because
So how
Bharat sir
long
was
was your interview?
just 10 minutes. It was
10
going to be
minutes.
a short interview, and
Okay.
they did not really want to see the technical side, just the personality, whether I can put myself in that.
Personal interview. Yeah, HR
So
question.
yes, but HR and a few technical questions also.
Yeah.
But the technical questions were also fairly simple, not
Okay.
that difficult.
So that
So
is
Bharat sir
so,
and Raghu Ram sir, they mentioned this beforehand, and because of that, it was fairly easy when I was attempting the interview.
so that is very good to hear. So you got means various help from IGC at different stages of your preparation.
Yes,
That
sir.
is very good to hear. So if someone want to crack this GATE PSU like you did, so
Yes.
how should they manage time properly in the preparation phase, or if they are studying with college and then they are preparing for this GATE exam and PSU, so how should they manage the time?
Um, to crack these PSUs and GATE exam, it takes a little bit. It takes some time. Some people I've seen they try to prepare just 2 months in advance or 3 months in advance. Those things they never work out. You need
Okay.
at least 6 months, even if your basics are clear. Then with there are people who are working or final year students also who are trying for these exams. They need to they would have to um, manage time every day. Take time out of their schedules. Let's say I say 3 to 4 hours minimum every day,
Consistent 3 to 4 hours.
consistently, and they should maintain the discipline every day.
Yeah.
Obviously, some days the plans are not going to fully work out, but they should get back on track as quickly as they can.
Yeah. So you are telling discipline along with consistency is the key
Yes,
to
sir.
getting this thing. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
very good, very good. So if I ask you another question, do you believe in selective study or complete syllabus, completion of the whole syllabus? Which one have you done for both GATE 2021 and your Coal India Limited?
Nowadays the competition in these exams, it is so much that we should at least have the basics clear in all the subjects. Leaving a subject completely untouched, it will surely cost heavily.
Okay.
So we have to cover the full syllabus. And obviously there's going to be some time problem, so we cannot cover everything from all subjects, but at least the basics from everything, that much we have to cover.
Okay, so you are telling me selective subjects for the part which you are just means thinking to leave.
Yes, sir.
So even I tell my students also, means I have told you in the class also, if I remember, like do selective study if you are preparing to leave an entire subject or an entire topic. Just do the previous year questions and selective study for
Yes,
those
sir.
things. But remaining things you should do properly. So if I ask you some standard reference textbook, what you had followed during your preparation, can you tell some for our juniors?
Uh, the I use whatever resources IGC had given. They
Given.
have the reference books also available online,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
uh, they used to regularly mention it in class also.
Yeah.
So if you ask the teachers in class, they will mention.
Okay. Okay. So very good. So last question, if I ask you, what part did IGC play in all of your this preparation and your end result? You got such fantastic result. So what part did IGC play?
IGC played a very important role inside this, sir. All the teachers, they were helpful. They made sure that they covered the syllabus, and they covered all the relevant problems and any shortcuts necessary also to so that we perform better in the exams. I was regularly in contact with Dinesh sir also. He helped me get guidance
Okay.
for the interviews, as I mentioned, through Bharat
Yeah.
sir and
Raghuram
uh,
sir.
Raghuram sir also. Then I mentioned Vijay sir also and Prashant sir, who has taught I think networks.
Okay.
They used to regularly keep in touch with me, see how my preparations are going, whether I need any help. Once they saw that I was putting in serious efforts during the classes, they recognized it and gave me whatever help I needed whenever I asked for it.
Okay. So means what are your hobbies other than studying? Means you have performed such well, you are studying so hard. So how did you disengage yourself after the rigorous hours of studies?
Um, I like to solve puzzles also, sir.
Puzzles.
Puzzles. I like to play with the Rubik's Cube. I have a few variants of that also,
Okay.
and some logic puzzles also, like Sudoku, uh, and a few variants of that, Shikaku, and those things. Those are
So
fairly rare, so I'm not going to go in.
so you play them on the mobile phone apps.
Yes, my mobile phone, and
So that is good. So what are your future plans?
my future plans are to build a career in Coal India only, sir.
Whole India
I
only.
Yes, sir. Other than that, I have seen other people also do this. They pursue teaching also, so I plan to do the same.
So you plan to do
Pursue
the
teaching on the side and guide others who want to achieve similar results as to mine.
okay. So that is very good to hear that you want to become a teacher along with your career in Coal India. So that is very good to hear. So then Prashant, it is very means I will be saying you have achieved a very good thing in your life, and I wish you all the best from even from IGC also. And Dinesh sir, on behalf of Dinesh sir and IGC team, I wish you all the very best for your bright future. Okay then.
Thank you, sir.
So
Thank
yeah, so it's very good to have us talk with you. Okay then.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.